Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Just go to the comments and say which should I pick, and make sure our teaming is in a bannable. Is it bannable because you're not allowed to do anything? We'll do solo for now because I have no friends to play. I want to do solo because you don't have to like if you be the last one to survive. Imagine I got diamond so quickly. So guys, this isn't my voice, by the way. I have a broken voice. It's not hurting me, by the way. It's very sore, by the way. It's not my right voice. I'm not joking. Just go to the comment and say this, everyone. This is not my voice. So, by the way, it's just about like not like. This is really weird. I have an soft voice. Well, I guess he's not, you know. Yes, he doesn't realize. By the way, this is quite cool. Ah, no. I just got killed. Nah. Okay. Let's just do another round. Team. No teams. No teams. No teams. Law. Noob. Law noob. This is so law. This is so law. This is so law. I think he's a pro. I really need to go lobby. Oh no. I'm gonna do another. Sorry, I didn't mean to go say lobby. Oh, okay, so close to me. I don't know what the bees are doing here. And I don't know why it shows me my shield. Sorry guys about that. That's a very weird voice. I don't know what's going on. Just leave a comment and say what do I speak like, because I don't know if I speak English, because this is because I can't even eat anymore ice cream because it makes my voice very sharp and soft. Well, it does make me, because when I put lava, when I'm actually make videos, look, what the hell? Whoa, he's so good. No more guys, so it's almost time to brush my teeth. By the way, we'll do 2 more rounds. So hopefully I'll finish this because I have to go to bed now. So hopefully you have a good day. So sorry. I just speak very weird. And I don't want to shout. Well, it hurts when I laugh about it and I say, Wungos, attack us! It's very weird. I have to really look. Oh, she really escaped. No, me, the boy. But I just really, he just killed him so good. No. He's going nothing. Yay! What? Okay, that's more down. 1 more down. No, wait. What? Frankenstein? Who's Frankenstein? Okay, 1 more down.
No, this time is wasting.
Okay, sorry guys, I have to do this, so see you later. Guys, I have to, sorry guys, I have to end it quickly because I have to brush my teeth, so hope you have a good time. See you later guys. Bye.